This movie is sponsored by Hero Fruit & Co. Hello, honey.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm working out, so please go away.
But I just want to make fun.
I like that idea, but I'm working now.
Can you come after work to my room?
Yeah, sure. You make me curious.
Then come.
I will.
Okay, I will see you. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Fruit here, fruit here, fruit here. Morning, Absalom.
Good morning, lady.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Can I have one small orange?
Of course. And you get one free.
But I don't need one extra.
But you get it free.
I don't need one.
Take it!
No!
I'm sorry.
It's alright.
You get it.
Thanks. Have a good day today.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Bye.
dear. Oh, I'm sorry. I want to spend some more time with you, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean. You have to think of a wangle to trick Oswald.
Oh, tell me your plan.
Well, I lock myself up in my room for a few days with enough food, but I don't tell anybody about it.
Oh, that's very smart of you.
And then I tell them that angels came to visit me and that the flood is coming and that he's got to prepare himself for it.
It's perfect, just perfect. It's a perfect way. I have to go now, but because my husband is getting worried. I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
I brought enough food and drinks to survive for a few days, so I will go now.
Good luck, honey.
Goodbye.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
From this point in the story, Nicholas and Allison found a way to trick Oswald. They used his belief in God to trick him. It's a bit of a nasty trick, but then again, that's the
I've seen
story.
Nicholas. I haven't seen him for a week.
He went to his room a week ago.
Then he hasn't eaten and drunk for a week.
Let's go to his room. Maybe he had an accident.
No reaction and the door's locked.
Let's break through. Maybe he's seriously wounded.
Nicholas, what happened?
I had a vision from God.
What? What did you say?
I had a vision from God. He told me something terrible was going to happen.
What do you have to do?
There's a flood coming. You have to prepare yourself. You have to build a barrel so where you can sit in. So you will float on the water.
I will do that now.
Come, honey. Ah! Who are you?
I'm Absalom.
Yes?
I'm here for you. For my kiss. Nee, I'm here for you. I want my kiss.
But it's too dark. I can't even see you. Close your eyes.
Mwah. It was a nice kiss. Can I have another one?
Okay. Close your eyes again.
bit hairy. But can I have another one?
Okay.
Ah, you son of water!
Ah, you son of a bitch! Water, water!
Well, you've seen now that you can never trick honest men with your buttocks. Okay, that was the Miller's tale, and now for something completely different.
Morning.
Morning, Oswald. How are you?
I'm fine. And how are you doing?
I'm great because of your beautiful wife I slept with.
What did you say?
I slept with your wife.
You're going down, bitch! Hey! Okay. On the right side, Nicholas the Great. And on the left side, Oswald the best fighter of the city.
Ding ding!
Let's fight!
September is past his best probably himself, but you never get it. That's a crunching right hand, and that must finish it.
Working now, so please.
I'm sorry, I just want to make fun.
I like it, but I'm working now.
Nou, je had net toch moeten filmen, er ging er eentje bovenop.
Hij toch.
Hey, hij staat over. Ja.
Well, you have seen now that you can never trick a honest man with your buttocks.
Dat is je reet.
Oh!
Take, zie je?
Ik moet toch zitten, jongen? I'm sorry. I wanted to be kind.
Yeah, I think I leave it out.
Start.
Oh, honey. Oh, sorry. I want to spend some more time with you. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Overnieuw.
Ja, ga.
Allison!
Oh!